Want to turn your iPhone 15 into a lunar photography powerhouse? Let's unlock its hidden potential for capturing stunning moonshots. First, open your camera app, point your iPhone at the moon. Resist the urge to immediately zoom all the way in. Start with a gentle pinch to zoom, just enough to bring the moon closer. Now, tap and hold on the moon until you see a AF lock appear. This locks the focus and exposure. Next, gently slide your finger downwards on the screen to decrease the brightness. The moon is very bright, so lowering the exposure will reveal details and prevent overexposure. Continue zooming in slowly. Notice how reducing the brightness allows you to see more detail on the lunar surface. Don't zoom in all the way, find the sweet spot where you get a good balance between magnification and image clarity. That's it. With these simple adjustments, you can capture amazing moon pictures with your iPhone 15. Experiment with different zoom levels and brightness settings to find what works best for you. Enjoy your lunar photography.